Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's do a video that gives new meaning to the phrase YouTube shorts. I told you I wasn't going to throw these shorts away that I cut the ham off of. So we have this other ham here. Let's turn it into a bow drill bowstring, and then when we get fire with it, an ember and a fire, we'll go ahead and turn this bowstring into some more charred denim ham. I cut a bunch of the threads off of it already, and I already have a bit of a knot right here where the seam is doubled over, so it should fit right into my short bow drill bow. And then I'll twist it up a little bit. I got about 2 feet of ham to work with, and I'll be using the handheld bowstring technique today. When the bow is this short, and especially when I have a short spindle, I can't really bow over the top of my shoe like I usually do. I have to come down here and bow. So I have to move this knee out of the way, which kind of makes me off balance. But we'll do the best we can do. I want to get a double wrap on the spindle. Tighten it against my leg. I'm holding that knot between these 2 fingers right here. And there'll be a little bit of stretch. I'll have to stop and tighten it up some more. Now, to keep these wraps from rubbing on themselves, I'll have to bow at an angle. Let's see what happens. Not unusual for these hiccups to happen. Not unusual at all. We are back in business. We'll go for the burn-in and the ember at the same time. Get 2 wraps on the spindle. Pull it tight. Let's see what'll happen now. Fat wood bearing block. And go for it. I feel it stretching. Let me tighten up on it. Maybe that'll get us through. Is it ignited? Looks like it. Let's give it a chance to coalesce. Now, like I said, our bowstring will be char material. Charred denim ham. And I have all these fines to put on there. That'll help grow that ember. Now, I'm going to bring everything and put it on top of the sawhorse, the fire table, and we'll make our charred denim on top of there. All right, most of the first gases that come out of this vent hole are going to be steam. After the steam dissipates, then the flammable gases will come out. Oftentimes it'll ignite and you'll see a big flame shooting out of there. When the flames and the gases and the smoke and the steam stops coming out, you'll take it out of the fire, let it completely cool off before you try it out. Won't be long now. We'll be trying it out. Now these leaves are dried. I've had these in the garage. So they should ignite a little bit quicker, and we'll let that completely cool down. Might as well clean up a little bit while we wait. Let's see what we have here. Looking pretty good, isn't it? Let's go ahead and flint and steel ignite the knot. I'm going to fluff up some of these other fibers so I don't have to try to hit just that little 3/8 of an inch width right there. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.